Welcome to Tomball, Texas. My name is Ken, Unparalleled Houston Realtor. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two new constructions in Tomball. We're going to be going over the Texas community, HOA, everything you need to know about this community. If you guys are planning on buying, selling, or relocating, our team would love to help out. Let's go check out this home. Walk with me. What do you guys think about the Celeste model? It's a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3,500 square feet, priced anywhere between $750,000 and $800,000. As for incentives, they're giving up to $10,000 back for closing costs. Not only that, exclusively, if you guys are subscribed to this channel, they're gonna be giving you guys this big thumb up. Okay, for the taxes, you're looking at 2.92% before homestead exemption, and HOA is $965. As for schools, we got Timbers Creek Elementary School, Creekside Middle School, and Tomball High School. We arrived at the next home. Let's go check it out. Walk with me. you guys think about this second property we toured? Share it to a friend that you think will like it. This home is called the Avenger. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,500 square feet like the other one. It's priced anywhere between $650,000 to $800,000 depending on your upgrades. As for incentives, they're giving back $6,000 to $12,000 depending on which model home you guys decide to build. And be sure to check out the amenities. As you notice, many communities have swimming pools, fitness centers, just like the one right behind me. Especially the location in this community, it's located nearby many grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, anything and everything you need nearby. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you guys are planning on buying, selling, or relocating to the Houston area, our team would love to help out. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.